Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fatheads for graduation. First, select a fantastic, high-resolution photo of your graduate. A clear image ensures a professional-looking fathead. Next, gather your supplies, a large foam board, a can of spray adhesive, and a sharp craft knife. You will also need a cutting mat to protect your work surface. Finally, print your chosen photo at your desired size, usually around 18 to 24 inches in height. Once you have your perfect photo, print it out on large format paper. A matte finish often works best to reduce glare. Now, prepare your foam board by laying it flat. Evenly spray a generous amount of permanent spray adhesive across the entire surface of the foam board. Carefully align your printed photo over the adhesive and gently press it down, working from the center outwards to avoid any bubbles or wrinkles. With your photo securely mounted, it is time for the most crucial step: cutting. Using a very sharp craft knife, carefully cut around the outline of the graduate's head. Take your time, especially around intricate details like hair and ears, to achieve a smooth, professional edge. A steady hand and multiple shallow cuts are better than one deep cut. Once cut, you can attach a wooden dowel to the back with strong tape for easy handling. Your graduation fathead is now complete and ready to celebrate your graduate. These are fantastic for photo opportunities at parties and during the ceremony. To keep your fathead in pristine condition, store it flat in a dry, cool place away from direct sunlight. You might even consider making a few extra for other family members to hold, creating a fun and memorable display for everyone to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.